Hello, this is how to buy gas at SK gas station. The stations are red and easy to recognize. Start. Yellow button for gasoline. Credit card. All choices are translated. Here you choose the amount of gasoline in tens of thousands of won, and if you need more options or liters, you can press the guitar button. I choose 50,000 won worth of gas. Time to insert the card. This is the most confusing screen on this gas station. You can scratch the points card now or insert the membership phone number. And if you don't have anything, you need to press the red option button to continue. Now it's time to fill. Use the vinyl glove. I think this is the easiest gas station interface I used so far. It is partly translated and very straightforward. Press A to get the receipt. Don't forget the card.